In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the performance and FPS in Elden Ring on PC. So first, go to NVIDIA. So in the NVIDIA app here, you'll see the option to update the drivers. So make sure you always update the drivers if you have this option. Now next, you'll go to graphics, and here you'll find Elden Ring. So I'll just use this game as an example. Follow the same steps for Elden Ring. So what you'll do is click on the game, and you see this bar. You'll just have to move this bar all the way to the max, where it says like the performance is the highest performance. Just make sure this is all the way pushed to the limit. So once you have this set here, you want to make sure this is also set to high, and then you can close this down. Now go and type run. Here type %, select all of these folders, and then right click and delete. Go to this PC, C drive, and then Windows. Over here, go to prefetch, and then do the same thing. Just select everything here, and then right click and delete. Now go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click OK. So, tick all of these options and then click OK to delete all of these junk folders. Now lastly, keep in mind to always have minimum softwares running in the background while you run your game. So here you will see the options. You can actually shut down any software that you're not using. You can click end task to shut it off, and if you see any games or softwares you don't use, you can just shut them off. And in the details you can do the same thing, right click and the process tree, and then on the startup apps you want to disable unnecessary softwares that automatically start up once you restart your computer. So you can do this by right clicking and then clicking disable. Make sure you disable as much softwares as you can that you don't need. And once you do this, this should fix your issue.